And now, here's a Shoreline application. Before beginning a Shoreline installation, lower the water level from level A to level B. This will make the installation easier. After lowering the water level, prepare the soil, including any necessary application of lime, fertilizer, and seed. Before installing the blankets, cut a 6-inch deep by 6-inch wide trench at the top of the shoreline and a 12-inch deep by 6-inch wide anchor trench at or below normal water level. Then, lay out the blankets extending approximately 1 foot beyond the upslope portion of the upper trench. Roll the blankets either down the shoreline for long banks or horizontally across the shoreline slope. The blankets have been designed to unroll with the appropriate side against the soil surface. Anchor the blanket to the bottom of the upper trench using staples or stakes spaced approximately 1 inch apart. Backfill and compact the trench after the staples or stakes have been secured. Then, fold the remainder of the 12 inches of blanket back over the compacted soil. Secure the remainder of the blanket with a row of staples or stakes spaced approximately a foot apart across the entire length of the blanket. Once the upslope portion of the blanket is secured, they must be securely anchored to the soil surface by installing staples or stakes in the appropriate positions, according to the staple pattern guide, in accordance with the specific needs of your installation. Stapling is simplified by using the optional dot system. Just place staples or stakes through each of the colored dots corresponding to the appropriate staple pattern. On all horizontal and vertical blanket seams, staple the edges using an overlap of approximately 2 to 5 inches, spacing staples or stakes approximately a foot apart. It's also important that the seam overlap be shingled according to the predominant erosive action at the shoreline. The edge of the blanket at or below normal water level must be anchored by placing the blanket in the 12-inch deep by 6-inch wide anchor trench. Anchor the blanket with a row of staples or stakes spaced approximately 1 foot apart in the trench. Then backfill and compact the trench using stone or soil after stapling is complete. For detailed specific recommendations, contact your nearest authorized North American Green distributor or call North American Green Technical Services.